What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Touchdowns to Home Runs. My name's Bernie. Thank you for joining us today on the Touchdowns to Home Run show. I hope that your day is going absolutely fantastic. Now, today, we're going to be doing a player profile breakdown of Ceyair Wright, the 6'1", 175-pound athlete who just made the decision to commit to USC. Now, this move really comes as no surprise, as majority of the experts did have him committing here. According to the 24/7 Sports Football ranking system, Ceyair Wright is rated as a 4-star recruit. He's ranked as the number 6 overall recruit in the state of California, the number 7 overall cornerback in his class, and he's rated as the number 76th overall player in the recruiting class of 2021. He's got a long, athletic frame with good top-end speed. He's got long arms and good awareness and can make plays from anywhere over the field. He can be a playmaker at receiver or even in the return game, but his talents are probably best at the cornerback position. The only thing I would say is that when he does reach the collegiate level, he should aim to improve his strength and his physicality. For the recruiting class of 2021, USC already ranked number 14 nationally. This now marks their 13th 4-star signing of the class. If you guys did make it to this point in the video, thank you. Let me know your thoughts on the signing down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Touchdowns to Home Runs for more commitment breaks just like this. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time.